Welcome to the Ultimate Vision Board Challenge. Have you ever felt stuck, overwhelmed, or unsure of what steps to take to achieve your dreams? Many people struggle with a lack of clarity in their goals, making it difficult to move forward in their personal and professional lives. This is where vision boards are helpful. Vision boards are powerful tools that help you visualize your goals and manifest your dreams. By creating a visual representation of your aspirations, you can stay focused, motivated, and inspired. I remember when I first discovered vision boards. I was feeling lost, unsure of my next steps, and overwhelmed by the number of goals I had. Creating a vision board gave me the clarity and direction I needed. Over time, I developed a simple step-by-step plan that transformed my life. Now I want to share this plan with you through the 7-Step Vision Board Challenge. In this challenge, you will learn how to create a vision board that truly reflects your dreams and aspirations. You'll discover the ultimate manifestation formula, a method that will help you gain clarity on your goals and use the law of attraction to bring them to life. By the end of this challenge, you'll have a clear vision of your future and the motivation to make it a reality. Section number 2, the myths. There are many misconceptions about vision boards and the process of manifestation. Some people believe that simply creating a vision board and looking at it occasionally will magically make their dreams come true. Others think that vision boards are just a trendy fad without any real impact. These myths can prevent people from experiencing the true power of vision boards. One major misconception is that vision boards are only for creative or artistic individuals. In reality, anyone can benefit from creating a vision board, regardless of their artistic abilities. Another common myth is that you need expensive materials or professional guidance to create an effective vision board. The truth is, you can create a powerful vision board using simple, inexpensive materials and following a straightforward process. My approach to vision boards is different because it focuses on the practical steps needed to achieve your goals. This method combines visualization with actionable steps, helping you turn your dreams into reality. By debunking these myths, you'll understand why the 7-Step Vision Board Challenge is the answer to gaining clarity and manifesting your dreams. Section number 3, the mechanics. Let's dive into the step-by-step process of the 7-Step Vision Board Challenge. Step 1, clarify your goals. Step 2, gather materials. Step 3, create your layout. Step 4, add personal touches. Step 5, review and refine. Step 6, daily visualization. Step 7, take action. Step 1, clarify your goals. Watch video The Secret, Rhonda Byrne, which is included along with the Ultimate Vision Board template. Take some time to reflect on your personal and professional aspirations. Write down your goals in detail, making sure they are. SMART. Use these SMART techniques. S, specific, M, measurable, A, achievable, R, relevant, and T, time-bound. Here is the Ultimate Vision Board template. Think about the 7 areas of your life. Area 1, family. Family is where love begins and grows. Include things like marriage, bonding, activities, children, and your dream home. Area 2, financial. Financial freedom is building your dreams, not just paying bills. It's wealth, growth, and endless possibilities. Be creative. What do you desire? Area 3, spiritual. Spirituality is the light within, connecting us to purpose, peace, and the boundless energy of the universe. It's where the soul finds clarity and the heart discovers truth. Find images that give you a sense of connecting. Area 4, social. Social connections are the heart of life. Build meaningful relationships, share laughter, and grow together. Your circle shapes your journey. Include the people who will be your sphere of influence, your friends, your colleagues. Who do you want to surround yourself around? Area 5, physical. Physical wellness is strength, energy, and balance. Nourish your body, move with purpose, and thrive in health. This is your foundation for greatness. Visualize the body you want, the health you want, and how you want to feel. Choose images that will connect you with your visions. Area 6, career. A career is more than a job. It's your path to purpose, growth, and impact. Whether climbing the ladder or building your own, it's about creating a life you're proud of. Area 7, personal growth. Personal development is the journey to your best self, building knowledge, mastering finances, and celebrating achievements along the way. Dream it, do it, own it. What's your reason why? Your why is your spark. What drives you to dream big, hustle hard, and never quit. Step 2, gather your materials. Search the internet for images. Screenshot them or collect magazines, newspapers, scissors, glue, markers, and a large piece of poster board or a digital vision board app. Choose images, words, and phrases that resonate with your goals and aspirations. Just go with the flow. If you feel passionate about certain images, clip them and save them for later. If you get stuck, activate DOS, D, dopamine, O, oxytocin, S, serotonin, E, endorphins. How to activate DOS. D, dopamine. Reward yourself with gratitude. List 3 things you are grateful for. O, oxytocin, cuddle. Give yourself a hug. S, serotonin. Be happy. Laugh 10 times. E, endorphins. Reduce stress. Dance. And step 3, create your vision board layout. Organize your materials on the poster board or digital platform. Arrange the images and words in a way that feels visually appealing and meaningful to you. Make sure each element represents a specific goal or aspiration. Step 4, add personal touches. Include personal photos, drawings, or mementos that inspire you. Adding these personal touches will make your vision board more powerful and meaningful. Write affirmations or motivational quotes that reinforce your goals. Be colorful, be creative. There is no wrong way to do it. How to create affirmations. Affirmations are like seeds planted in the garden of your mind. To grow into something beautiful, they need to be clear, positive, and aligned with your goals. Step 1, focus on the positive. Say what you want to achieve, not what you want to avoid. Instead of, I won't fail, say, I am capable and confident. Step 2, use the present tense. Speak as though your affirmation is already true. For example, I am attracting abundance creates a sense of immediate belief. Step 3, make it personal and meaningful. Tie your affirmations to your deepest desires. Feel the emotion behind the words. I am living a joyful, fulfilled life. Repeat these affirmations daily, and watch as your mindset transforms into a magnet for success. Your words hold power. Use them wisely. Step 5, review and refine. Take a step back and review your vision board. Make any necessary adjustments to ensure it accurately reflects your goals and aspirations. Focus on how each element makes you feel and whether it aligns with your vision for the future. Step 6, daily visualization. Spend a few minutes each day visualizing yourself achieving the goals on your vision board. Meditation will help you with your visualizing. Here are the key steps to meditating. What is meditation? Meditation is your gateway to clarity and focus. Steps to start: find a quiet spot. Sit comfortably, close your eyes. Take deep breaths. Inhale peace, exhale stress. Meditation isn't just relaxation. It's your key to achieving goals. It sharpens focus, boosts creativity, and keeps you grounded. Start small. Just 5 minutes daily can change your life. Your goals are waiting for you. Imagine how you will feel, what you will see, and how your life will change. Use this daily practice to stay motivated and focused. Step 7, take action. Identify small, actionable steps you can take to start working towards your goals. Use these 7 methods. 1. Clarify your goal. Write down your goal clearly and concisely. Use the SMART criteria: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound. Example: instead of get fit, a clear goal could be lose 10 pounds in 3 months. 2. Break it down. Divide the goal into smaller milestones or phases. Each milestone represents a chunk of progress. Example: if the goal is to lose 10 pounds, week 1 to 2, cut sugary drinks. Week 3-4, add 30 minutes of exercise 3 times a week. 3. Identify barriers and resources, list obstacles you might face and brainstorm solutions. Identify tools, people, or knowledge you'll need. Example: if you struggle with meal planning, consider using a meal prep app or consulting a nutritionist. 4. Focus on daily or weekly actions. Determine actions you can consistently take. Make them small and realistic to build momentum. Example: replace 1 unhealthy snack with a fruit each day. 5. Prioritize tasks. Focus on the most impactful actions first. Use simple techniques to prioritize. Example: preparing healthy meals ahead of time might be more impactful than immediately joining an advanced fitness class. 6. Create a timeline, assign deadlines to each action step. This keeps you accountable and prevents procrastination. Example: by Friday, I will research 3 local gyms. 7. Track your progress. Use a journal, app, or checklist to track your daily and weekly efforts. Write these steps down and commit to taking action every day. Celebrate your progress and keep your vision board in a place where you can see it daily. By following this step-by-step process, you'll create a vision board that not only inspires you but also helps you achieve your dreams. This ultimate manifestation formula combines visualization with action, ensuring you stay on track and make progress towards your goals. Section number 4, maintenance. After completing the 7-step vision board challenge, it's essential to maintain your vision board and keep your momentum going. Here are some tips to help you stay on track. Regular updates. Periodically review and update your vision board to reflect any changes in your goals or new aspirations. This keeps your vision board relevant and exciting. Stay inspired. Surround yourself with positive influences such as inspirational books, podcasts, or supportive friends and family. This will help you stay motivated and focused on your goals. Accountability. Share your goals with a trusted friend or join a vision board group. Having someone to hold you accountable can make a significant difference in your progress. Self-care. Take care of your mental and physical well-being. When you feel good, you're more likely to stay motivated and take action towards your goals. Your well-being is your greatest asset. Let's talk about how you can nurture both your mental and physical health for a balanced life. Remember that mental and physical health are interconnected. A calm mind supports a healthy body, and staying active boosts mental clarity. Start small. Begin your day with mindful breathing or meditation. A simple 5-minute session can set a positive tone for the day. Fuel your body with balanced meals. Think whole grains, lean proteins, and colorful veggies. Don't forget to hydrate. Water is your brain and body's best friend. Movement is medicine. Whether it's yoga, jogging, or just a brisk walk, aim for at least 30 minutes of activity each day. It's not just about fitness, it's about feeling good. Journaling is a great way to declutter your mind. Write down your thoughts, set goals, or simply list things you're grateful for. And most importantly, don't hesitate to reach out. Talking to a friend, family member, or mental health professional can make a world of difference. Small steps every day create lasting change. Take care of yourself, you're worth it. Section number 5, troubleshooting. As you work towards your goals, you may encounter challenges or obstacles. Here are some common Q&As and solutions to help you overcome them. What if I lose motivation? Revisit your vision board daily and remind yourself why these goals are important to you. Break your goals into smaller, manageable steps to make progress more achievable. What if my goals change? It's natural for goals to evolve over time. Update your vision board to reflect these changes and stay aligned with your current aspirations. What if I feel overwhelmed? Focus on one goal at a time and break it into smaller steps. Celebrate your progress no matter how small and practice self-compassion. How do I deal with negative self-talk? Replace negative thoughts with positive affirmations from your vision board. Surround yourself with supportive people who believe in your abilities. Section number 6, conclusion. Congratulations on completing the 7-step vision board challenge. You've taken an important step towards gaining clarity on your goals and manifesting your dreams. By creating a vision board and following the ultimate manifestation formula, you're well on your way to living a balanced and fulfilling life. Remember, the key to success is consistency and persistence. Keep visualizing your goals, taking actionable steps, and maintaining a positive mindset. Your vision board is a powerful tool that will guide you towards achieving your dreams. Stay inspired, stay focused, and believe in your ability to create the life you desire. Now let the challenge begin.